During this video, I'm going to walk you through how to successfully update your theme to the latest version while still keeping all of your settings and designs intact, okay? So what we're going to do is inside of the theme updater, we are going to click on the theme library, okay? This is going to show us the current Kyckstart themes that we have installed on our store and if there's an update available, okay? So in this example, I have version 1.0.5 installed, and we just released version 1.0.6. So the theme is telling me that there's a new update available, okay? So all we have to do is click Update Theme, all right? It's going to ask us, are we sure? We're going to say, okay, go ahead and update our theme, all right? So give this a second to go ahead and do its thing and refresh here in just a moment. And then once that does, we'll go over here to our online store and we'll see that the new theme is being installed. Okay, so there goes the refresh. Once it refreshes, we can then click on online store over here and go to our themes. And we can see that version 1.0.6 is being installed. Okay, there's a few more steps that we have to take, but for now, we're going to go ahead and let this install first. All right, and once that is installed, the first thing that we have to do is also activate this copy of the theme with our API key. Now, a little tip, if you don't have your API key handy right now, what you can do is you can go back into your main theme, go to Customize, and then go to the license area and copy your API key from that area, okay? Then come back down here to the new installation, click on Customize, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to activate this one with the same API key, okay? The same API key will work on your store. So we're going to go to Theme Settings, License Key. We're going to add the new license key. Go ahead and let that refresh, and then we're going to save it. And as you can see, the brand new installation of the theme is the basic bare bones, right? We lost all of our customizations, okay? So once we have that saved, we're going to go back. And just to kind of show you how this works, I went ahead and I quickly added a few customizations to my main theme. You know, I changed the announcement bar to red, I added a logo, and I added this home image, for example. And if we look at the new installation, let's go to Actions, let's go to Preview, we can see that it has none of those, right? It's a brand new installation with nothing added, okay? So now once we have that added, and once we have the API key added to it, we are then going to go back into our application. We're going to go back inside of Kyckstart. We're going to go back inside of our theme library. And now, as you can see, we have two themes listed, right? Because we now have our current version, 1.0.5, and then we have the new version that we just installed, 1.0.6, okay? And all we have to do if we want to copy all of our settings from our current version into the new version is click on Copy Settings File, okay? On the new version. We're going to click that. It's going to give us this pop-up, and it's going to ask us from which copy of the theme do we want to duplicate. In our case, we want to copy from the 1.0.5, right? Now, we ask this just in case you have multiple versions of the theme on your store. We need to know which theme we want to copy, okay? So in my case, we're copying the 1.0.5. I want to copy those settings over to the new theme. So we're going to select that and click on Copy File. Then let the application go ahead and do its thing, and that's it. Now, if we go back to our online store, and now if we preview the 1.0.6, go to Actions, go to Preview, we can see that our settings have been copied over. The red banner, the logo, the image, everything that you have set up is now copied over to the new theme, and now you can go ahead and publish it and enjoy the new features that come along with the update.